What if I told you the secret to winning in business isn't another tool, another funnel, or another hack? What if your greatest competitive advantage is something you already have? It's the fact that you're human. Now, I know that sounds almost too simple, right? But let's get real for a second. Everywhere you look, businesses are chasing shiny objects. AI tools, automation systems, endless dashboards. And don't get me wrong, I love me some tech. I use it every single day. But here's the truth. Tech is not what makes humans buy. Humans buy from humans they trust. Not faceless logos, not cold automation, and definitely not dear valued customer email blasts. No. That's not working. So today, let's talk about why being human is your true superpower in business and how you can use it to build connection, trust, and long-term growth. Okay, here's the first truth. In today's world, trust beats tactics. You can have the slickest ads, the fanciest funnels, the best copywriting in the world, but if your audience doesn't trust you, none of it matters. Think about your own buying habits. You don't buy from brands you don't trust. You buy from the ones who show up consistently, keep promises, and treat you like a real human. That's the human advantage. When you lean into honesty, transparency, and care, you build trust. And once trust is there, well, sales flows naturally. The second truth, humans remember stories, not statistics. Now, I'm not saying data isn't important. I geek out on numbers as much as the next marketer. But when was the last time a spreadsheet moved you to tears? When was the last time a pie chart made you take out your credit card? Honestly, probably never. But a story sticks. A story shows me who you are, what you stand for, and why I should care. It connects my life to your mission, and that's what being human gives you, the ability to tell stories that resonate. If you're a founder, your origin story matters. If you're in sales, customer success stories matter. If you're in leadership, your team's journey matters. Stories show the human heartbeat behind the brand. And here's the third truth. Relationships scale revenue. The old way of business was transactional. One sale, next lead, keep moving. But humans don't want to be a number. They want to be known. When you focus on building relationships, listening, remembering details, following up with care, you move from a single transaction to a long-term relationship. And long-term relationships compound. You see, it's like compound interest. A customer who trusts you buys again, refers a friend, leaves a review, joins your community. Suddenly, you're not chasing leads, you're cultivating a network of humans who want to see you win because you've helped them win. That's not just good humanity. That, my friends, is good business. Now, let me pause and encourage you. You don't need to be perfect to do this. You don't need a massive budget or a massive team. You just need to be more of what you already are, human. Think about it like this. When you walk into a coffee shop and the barista remembers your name, you feel valued. When a company owns a mistake and makes it right, you feel respected. When a leader says, I don't have the answer, but let's figure it out together, you feel safe. See, small human moments create big impact. And here's the kicker. No AI tool, no automation, no competitor can take that away from you. Your humanity is uncopyable. So, what can you do today? Well, here's one simple, practical step. Choose one relationship in your business. It could be a customer, an employee, or even a partner, and go out of your way to make them feel seen. Send a handwritten note, record a short video message, share gratitude in a personal way. One little small step. Now, don't overthink it. Just show up as a human. You'll be surprised how far a single authentic action can ripple. Here's what I want you to remember. The future of business doesn't belong to the brands with the most tech. It belongs to the brands with the most trust. And trust is built one human moment at a time. So if you're ready to learn how to build your business with purpose, passion, persistence, and love, then join the Superhuman Marketing OS community or head over to sidekickstrategies.com. And if you're ready to take the next step, start a conversation today. A human conversation. Because I'm here to let you know your humanity isn't a weakness. It's the competitive advantage that will set you apart. Now, let me leave you with this question. What's one way you can show up more human in your business this week? Let us know your answer in the comments below.